The Singapore housing market has been vibrant, with strong numbers in both sales and rental. Many buyers are looking for affordable new homes, and one favourite choice is the executive condominiums. Let me share with you 4 reasons why. Number 1. EC pricing is affordable. EC are a hybrid of public housing schemes to cater to Singaporeans' inspiration to live in private condos. Hence, only buyers with a housing income below 16,000 per month are eligible to buy. We have compared the average price difference between new ECs and new OCR condos, and the price gap has widened from $483 per square foot to $707 per square foot in the last 5 years. This means if you buy a 3-bedroom of 1,000 square feet new EC apartment today, you can save up to $700,000 compared to a new OCR private condo. Number 2. EC appreciates faster than the HDB or private condo. The beauty of buying EC is that you can sell to Singaporeans or PR after 5 years or to foreigners after 10 years. Because of that, you can enjoy a higher capital gain. If you look at the statistics over the last 10 years, the HDB resale prices rose about 17%. Private condo prices rose about 48%, but the EC prices gained the most at 53%. This data shows that the potential capital appreciation of new EC prices is higher than other home choices. This makes EC a better investment tool to hedge against inflation. Number 3. CPF housing grants for EC purchase. If you have not received any housing grant subsidy from HDB before, you'll be classified as a first-timer applicant. The grant amount is from $5,000 to $30,000 depending on your household income and whether you are eligible for a family or half housing grant. CPF housing grant is fully credited into your CPF ordinary account, and you can use it to offset the balance down payment or subsequent payments towards the purchase price. Number 4. You can upgrade without ABSD and choose the deferred payment scheme. An upgrader who chooses to buy their condo without selling the HDB flat has to be prepared to fork out 17% of additional buyer's stamp duty and apply for reimbursement. However, there's no upfront ABSD payment for EC purchases. Moreover, if you can choose the EC deferred payment scheme, it allows you to put down only 20% down payment and defer the remaining 65% until TOP. This means that you don't have to handle 2 mortgage loans concurrently. However, note that the purchase price for deferred payment scheme is usually about 3% higher than the normal progressive scheme. In conclusion, ECs is a low-risk, high-return investment as your entry price is low, but your possible exit price is high. It is also a safe investment as most buyers are homeowners and will not panic selling even if the market takes a correction. Definitely, buying EC is an excellent stepping stone to your first private property investment. Good news! There'll be a few prime EC projects developed by reputable developers up for sale in the coming months. Do reach out to your preferred Orange Tea and Thai agents for more detailed information. All the best in your home purchase journey.